Hello, sir.
What's up, buddy?
Well, we're going out. This is what, test drive number 4.
Mm-hmm.
I've just been getting the steering centered up on the box, but I think we should be right there. We've got about 3 degrees of camber, and we've got about 6 degrees of caster, which this thing, going in a corner, it cuts really well, it handles really well. A lot of people will be like, oh, on the street, that's aggressive camber. It's like, well, this is William's play toy. It's not like he's daily driving it to work 45 miles away each day. This is his winter in the desert, I want to go have some fun play car. So we're going to dial it in a little aggressive for him. So it handles. He spent all this money on the time and the parts. Let's make it so it actually works. So we're going to go for a little spinny spin. I like it.
Way better.
Look, on, no hands. Brakes really well. I'm barely braking too.
Feels good.
Operation of your tack, William. That's going to be one of the things over the summer. While it's here, we're going to take care of that, dig into that, get the chase there, because we wanted to get the steering and the suspension stuff and the brakes done so you can take it out and enjoy it before you head home for the summer and, you know, you don't have the car to play with. So we wanted to get the big stuff done and dialed in for you. That way, you can actually go and enjoy it, and then we'll handle the little things like the tack and replacing the rubber fuel lines with some nice braided, and getting all that dialed in and looking good. And any other little things you want to do over the summer as well. William is going to be one of the clients for our neighbor Desert Drive Car Storage, and that's actually really convenient for our clients that are here in the winter. They can store next door at Desert Drive, and they can go, hey, before I come back, I want this, this, and this done on the car. Okay, great. And then we just get everything together, order the parts, get it in, get it here, and we can kind of take care of it. And we don't have to go, okay, can you bring me the car now? We just go grab it whenever we're ready, do it, and put it back away. And it also gives the client car the opportunity to get exercised a little bit over the summer. Like, we have access to the units next door as well, so we can go in, fire up the car, check fluids, maintain it, make sure the battery's doing its thing. So everything's a little bit better. Sorry, I went on a little explanation. So we're going to go for a little drive. We're just going to go down Geometry to, before you get to Home Depot. We just want to see what it does, you know, in traffic speeds. See how she handles, see how she brakes. And, she's ready for William to pick her up in the morning. Alright, so, things been driven, test drove, dialed in, checked, and double checked. Like I said, we do have a bit of, we have went a bit aggressive with the caster and camber in the front. You can see there's a little bit of camber in the front. Ooh, a little bit of camber. But this is his play car. It needs to handle. It needs to be very sporty. So we went a little aggressive with our ride heights, and our caster and camber. But man, she looks good. She's ready to go.